Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kasorkar Meghalaya kalio pedang hadu arspa klur tingka. Na kasorkar pedang na kabenta ki Henry Pupratli ki projek hakani kejela jong mentau snam arja khatpra. Haba penting kenai kani nen kasngi ka arpsan teri ujeliu u menteri sorkar badai pet yakatna water resource. Kasorkar jela uba medba lingdo ulong bakani ka arspa klur tingka kalong ban penterikam yakinala penyaj hakiling kharem. Kijika pelang bat kiwei di kikam kibedai bat kiwei di ki projek bat kumjo na kabenta banyada na ka jingwanan shop ki bor jong kamariang uba met ba lingdo ulong bayakani ka pisala yo pedang na sorkar pedang hadin balayai budin bat leje kendo ru yiki he officer jong ka sorkar pedang hapo nong ba delhi kat kum ka jing thu jong uba met ba lingdo ulong ba ka jing yo ka jela Meghalaya yakani ka pisa kanla bande sibon kikam kumbalatmu na kabenta ka roi ka par jong ki pai ba.
Yeah, we are very serious on this department. And we are going very aggressively as far as water resources is concerned. This is going to be it's a major department, I should say. Though others may feel that this is a very small irrigation kind of projects only that people are taking up. But we are very serious on this, and we are going very aggressively. And this also where we have approached the Ministry of Water Resources, Government of India, and which they have also sanctioned around 200 crores plus for all the projects that we have submitted to them in this year. First part of this quarter, which is a very positive thing. And we have been able to do it because there are a lot of support from the ministry, and my team in the department, they have really done a very fantastic job for designing all the things, the projects and all, to convince the ministry for attaining that sanction from